Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. I had a master sword requested recently, and honestly, I really enjoy the idea of plushie weapons. I'm kind of surprised I haven't already made some, and I was considering making the Kokiri sword and shield from Ocarina of Time, but for now, this is a pretty cute gift for a Legend of Zelda fan, and I'll revisit felt weapons later on for sure. Here's a list of everything you'll need. I'll leave a material breakdown and where I purchase materials in full in the description if you're returning later on, but pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free for my DeviantArt. If you want the sword longer, make sure to edit the blade shape so it doubles up. There's no added seam allowance for this pattern, so make sure not to add any when cutting out the pieces. The first thing you need to do is to sew the 3 triangle pieces in the shape of a Triforce, pointing towards the tip of the blade on each side by the curved sides. Then, place the blade a little onto the hilt and sew it around the part that it covers. Repeat this for the second side so it matches the first side. Evenly match each side with the next hilt piece above the blade so it covers the top, then join it on one side so that the bottom and top are sewn. Repeat this for the second side. Sew the yellow gem below the point on the hilt on both sides. Then sew the yellow accent pieces on each corner of the hilt. Evenly match the handle of the hilt so it aligns with the small dip and sew it on below it. Repeat this for the second side. After that, evenly match the top of the hilt so it aligns with the small dip and sew it below that. Then repeat it for the second side again. Then begin making your way around the hilt with a blanket stitch. Once you've made your way around the handle, stuff it a little and then continue on. When you finally finish the stitch around the blue part, stuff the rest of the hilt. Then switch to the yellow thread and blanket stitch around both yellow pieces. Once done, begin making your way around the blade. When you're nearly at the end, stuff the plush as firmly as you can and then finish off the rest of your stitch. And that is how you make a master sword. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!